Hello, man. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. You know, ran into the professor again. No, I'm kidding.
Dude, look at this chop we got going on here.
Ooh, yes. I like chop. I like chop. Um, I'll tell
I'm
you
just
why I
sitting on
like
my
chop.
hands right now. I mean, I made a
Yeah,
nice
yeah.
little 10% AMD trade this morning, and now I'm just like, all right, fucking whatever. Give me something, market.
All right, I tell you what. The reason why I like chop is because it fatigues the early traders,
It does.
right? And so then, we wait for the market to choose its direction. Here we got the SPY. The SPY was just acting wonky, broke above the 200 EMA and made a run for this level right here, in which it got rejected, right? Let me go ahead and make the screen bigger. Yeah.
Yeah, there was that 380 that it came up to, and that's resistance level that we give you guys all the time too.
Yes, right there. All right. Hope you guys can see that. Do I need to make it bigger? That's a question no man ever wants to ask. Good morning, you guys, and welcome to 1348. This is a public live stream. We are having fun today. What I'm doing is I'm going to be leading the way with the alert. So
Mhm.
whenever an alert comes in, I'll go ahead and jump on it and break it down to you guys. All right. I know sometimes we get lost in the sauce, having so much fun. But this
We
is a
do.
trading group.
We talk about hookers and stuff, and then it's just like, oh yeah, shit, we gotta talk about stuff.
Yes. Okay, so MU on this put. Now, this looks interesting, guys. The way I would play this is if you are anywhere in this candle and currently profitable, you see that level right there?
Right at support.
Right at support. And now she came down to this level. If she breaks, where do we go? Now we have to go ahead and see we have
That was last night earnings. So I don't know if I would use that level because they had earnings yesterday, so it just flies all around in the after hours.
yeah, it flies all around, but okay, what was the I guess forecast or the outlook?
Bad. Bad
It was
guidance.
bad. It was bad.
Yeah, not good guidance.
Not good guidance. All right, so not good guidance means not good for the stock, right? So, anyways, if you got in on this put, just realize these are some levels. Is definitely respecting it at this point. I would go ahead and secure the bag if you are profitable, and then wait for a re-entry when she breaks through. Now, as it stands with the RSI is pretty damn good here, at least for the put play.
Mhm.
It's 38. MACD trending down, shaft trend trending down. Let's see what she's doing on the 1 minute just to get a better idea of what it's looking like on the 5 minute. And here you go. You see this level right here? She doesn't like this level on the 1 minute either.
No.
So I would say be careful here, only because that level and where she's at also coincides with RSI being way oversold. All right.
Mhm.
So if you played it on a 1 minute or you played it on a 5 minute, please go ahead, take your profits, keep it moving. And yeah,
SPY is hunting low of day right now. It may not get it. That's what it's
SPY,
kinda doing. It's coming down to 375.75 is low. It's right around 376. So it's all there's our blue pill line.
there goes. That's our blue pill. I love my blue pill.
Look at that little break in the pre-market and then zing!
Oh,
Yeah, there's
yeah.
the low.
There she goes. There she goes. Holy fucking shit, Don, you degenerate. 53% on SPY puts?
Jesus!
I would tell you go fuck your mother, but you're pretty cool, so go fuck your father. Anyways.
I love it.
uh, let's see. Mojax, Chodia, MU, and out with 70%. All right, guys, listen.
Woo! I
That
mean, it
that
sounds like
that
you guys are trading dailies. Be careful with that, guys.
be careful. Be careful. It is Friday. It is dangerous.
It's scary out here.
Oh man, charge point. Let's go ahead and look at charge point as it stands right now. SPY just fucking around on this blue pill right here.
Yeah.
That's it. So next up, charge point. And by the way, congrats, Don. Keep up the
Yeah,
good
that's awesome.
work.
That's a big boy gain right there.
Yeah, that is a big boy gain. Guys, please do not chase the success of other people. Again, the strategy is 10%. It is Friday. You know, yeah, you're probably playing same day expirations, but the rules are 10%, 50% get out. If it gives you more than you deserve, congratulations. Get the fuck out. You know, I just don't. Don is a hell of a trader, and there are a lot of traders out there. You guys are fucking killing it right now, and I love it. But for the
Mhm.
newbies in here, the new guys, um, just remember, stick with the plan and take whatever the market gives you. All right. Randy says, Gabe, when do we buy? You said never buy mid candle, but the PC pops up mid candle. Okay.
The put and call should come up at this. It's close of the candle, right? That's when we get the signal on the alerts, like in the
Yeah.
alert system.
Yeah. You know, when you get the alert, it's your time to start reading the chart. As soon as you get the alert, as you get comfortable in reading the chart, you will know where your entries are. All right. Okay, so we have charge point. This here, pretty much
Mhm.
barcoding
Yeah, I
fell
don't like
below her blue pill as well. But right here's that level of support. I wouldn't trust it, and I don't want it. So Alpha Stonk says, can you explain blue pill line? Well, blue pill line is basically a level of support that like presents itself over multiple days here. Okay, like you see, presents itself here, it presented itself here, is doing so this morning. So that gives us an idea of that. The stock's going flat, right? And the way we do that is we find a level of support on a larger time frame, whether it's the daily or the 4 hour. That's how I like to do it, anyways. Okay. Uh, is the Discord 75 after some transition fees? Actually, the Discord is $4.36 a day now. All right.
Mhm.
It used to be $3.18. It's $4.36. Still
Mhm.
way cheaper than a fucking venti coffee at Starbucks.
Mhm.
All right. So let's go ahead and look at Tesla. It's put
Tessie.
season. It is put season.
Tessie. Ooh, spies. Ah, spy, die.
I
Ah,
love
ah, it's dying.
it. Dude, I told you a
I know.
373 put. I had a 373 put.
There you go.
Yeah,
There you
yeah,
go. Yeah, so
yeah,
spy's about to cross on the 3 minute. You got that support level at 374. That thing could get gnarly to the downside if it wants to.
yes. And Tesla here just coming right back down to a level here. It's hanging out here. Can it hold that level? I don't know. I don't believe in the markets anymore. I just believe. I just.
I
I just.
believe in the chart.
I just believe in the chart. Okay, so as it stands right here, we're waiting for that cross down, right? I don't want to front run anything only because the EMAs are super tight and Tesla is hanging out at the 200 EMA. What I would do is wait for a solid signal to the downside, get that put signal, and then boom, break these levels. You break those levels, then yeah, we have 662, definitely a reality, okay? But it has to break past this 200 EMA. I'm not taking any plays unless it happens.
Mhm.
Uh, let's see. How many strikes out the money was that 373 put? I think it was two. It was two.
What do you mean?
Um,
Yeah.
yeah. Trip provoked. I don't think I'm getting the alerts.
Make sure you
What
have
do you,
notifications turned on Discord.
Lord? All right. Let's see what alerts are coming in. We got some alerts. Let's check out the market here, guys. We got the alerts for you, and included in the alerts, we give you the SPY data based on the rules. We give you at the money and two strikes away. Okay, so this would be at the money at 197.50 and two strikes away, and this is for Visa. So let's go ahead and check out Visa, guys. We do all the thinking for you. Make sure you check out the link down in the description. Also, the link pinned to the comments here.
Mhm.
That this doesn't wait. That's not the Visa I'm looking for. There you go.
There you go.
There you go. Visa. We got a call to a put here. Respect this level here. That RSI, I don't trust it, so I'm not playing this. Just not. Move on to the next alert. All
Mm-hmm.
right.
This is how you use the alerts, guys. So pay attention here. The way that Gabe is using these alerts right now is how you guys should be using them too. This is how you can
Yes.
navigate through the alerts.
Right. J&J. We're looking at Johnson & Johnson. All right. Johnson & Johnson. We got a signal on the 3-minute. Looking to see a signal on the 5-minute. So where are we? What levels do we have? We have a level all the way down here at 175. Currently trading at 176. This is very, very doable. RSI below is moving average and trending down in the 40s. MACD trending down. Sharp trend trending down, right? So then we go back to J&J. And here we're looking at the options at cross. So at the money would be 177.50. Then it got 2 strikes out. And that is for 7 days from now. We do all the thinking for you, right? Since we don't want you buying the contract for today, we're setting you up for the contract next week. And we're also setting you up for contracts up to 2 weeks out, 3 weeks out, you see? But you
You
also
got theta
got the
on there
prices
too.
here. Yeah, you got
Look at the
theta.
difference in theta for the 7 days out versus the 14-day, and even the daily theta is probably crazy on some of the. I mean, we don't even give those, but like look at the difference in theta. It's like
Yeah,
0.1 on the next week, 0.06 on the next one, and then you go out 21 days, 0.06, or maybe that was the same one I was looking at. But theta is going to be having less of an effect on your contracts as you have more time. It allows you to stay in the position longer. It's not going to move as quickly, and you can be a lot more relaxed when you're in your trades.
correct. Correct. Now, let's go ahead and check out Lucid. Guys, I'm showing you how we do these alerts. We go ahead and we look at the chart. We look at the setup. We look for levels. You see that's a level right there. I'm probably not going to fuck with this right now, okay? You see this level here? No, Lucid, not a play for me. Don't really care for it. However, if we go back to the Lucid alerts, you could see that the price at the cross was $17. And again, it got at the money. And then 2 strikes out, right? So here we go, 1650. That theta isn't so bad. 0.045, right? So this isn't bad. This isn't bad here. But I wouldn't play Lucid anyways. All right.
Lucid's a wild person. Lucid likes to act wild.
Oh, yes, she does.
Let's see. Apple looks like it wants to come down a little bit here. SPY is hunting a 3-minute cross. Oh, it just did it.
Ooh, here we go. Apple. Yeah, it's your blue pill level.
Ooh, there it is.
There she goes. All right. So, yeah, on the 3-minute, it's very, very possible that Apple is hunting a put. And I tell you what, it breaks this level, we're definitely coming down here. Use your own discretion, guys. I would say do not front run any of these alerts here. Please don't.
Yeah, front running gets you into trouble.
Yes, get you into trouble. But we see here, look at this line, this blue pill line. Definitely holding up support here. Okay, so as it stands, this play has not matured into a play enough for me to take it. Okay. Yay, AMC broke away from the SPY. But we don't really talk about AMC. There's nothing we can really do with AMC. You know, AMC is like really like a hot chick, and we can't do nothing with her. She's like a fleshlight.
You can do a lot with a fleshlight. You're about to find out.
You son of a bitch. Okay. But AMC, yeah, basically hot chick you can't do nothing with, right? She's just good to look at. You gotta look at her. You gotta leave her alone, right? That's it.
Yeah, people were asking when it was ripping earlier today, and I was like, "Well, are we trading it?" And people were like, "No," and I was like, "Well, okay, we'll talk about it later then." Is it? Are we selling now? No. Okay, well then we'll talk about it later.
She's hot and no fun. Exactly.
AMD looks interesting here, Gabe.
Who looks good?
AMD looks interesting.
Oh, AMD. I thought you said AMC. All right, here we go. We got AMD here. AMD, no signals yet, but she's just fucking dying. You know,
bleeding out. It's just bleeding out. It hurts. It hurts. I need to get this back on the trading the AMD so I could feel better about my long-term position on it.
All right. Damn, we've been putting blue pill lines everywhere because
Yeah.
look, AMD is right here on this blue pill line. Oh my god! Now you guys understand why I'm so fucking rich. Okay, so um, I just read the charts.
Yeah,
I,
it's
I
simple as
just
that,
read the
guys. The
charts.
strategy works, read the charts, use your levels, you're gonna do
That's it.
well.
All right, let's look at the SPY here.
Oh, it's hunting low a day. If it cracks 375, spaghetti-o.
Oh, this market is fun. She's currently here at this level right there, and she's determined. She's determined. Let's see. Let's see. What was the lows? We had 373 lows in pre-market. I don't know, man. What do you think? You think the market's
Lo
just pulling out their money right now? It's just like, hey, fuck it. Let's just go hang out on a yacht, see some fucking fireworks.
Yeah,
We'll come back on Tuesday.
I think so. I think so.
Yeah.
I think we saw that initial test, of 380. Now, the thing about that 380 is that if you're gonna see price come back into those little zones a couple of times in a row, you're wiping out those sitting sell orders in there. So if you end up coming back up again, you have to be a little bit more cautious because the buyers might be able to take control of it. They didn't today. So now I would kind of see us coming down to that level of support that we have at around 374. That's kind of what I see on it.
This is good. This is good. You know what I see? You know what I see? I'm gonna tell you what I see.
What do you see?
I'm gonna tell you what I see. 1 second. 1 second. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. I'll tell you what I see. Oh.
Dude.
uh, 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 I'm up 62% on my SPY put.
Oh, you're an asshole. Look what I just sent you. Fuck
Oh,
you.
you're an asshole.
All right, so I traded AMD twice today. That was the second
Ooh.
one. This fucker, it's going again. So SPY's most likely coming down to that level. Dude, that's a good trade that you have, the 373.
Yeah.
So the AMD that I was looking at was I think it was a 5-minute rim. Yeah, it was a little 5 and 3-minute rim that I was looking at. And the other thing that I'm looking at too, this is something that I want everybody to start doing. And we've been talking about it a lot. I think a lot of you guys started to do this. You always have to have SPY up or an overall market index, QQQ, something that's going to be tracking the market as you're trading. Because one of the main reasons why I'm looking at some of these AMD trades here is one, SPY was about to cross down on the 3-minute. Well, that's going to give a little bit of more momentum to the downside. You have one of the levels of support in the pre-market at 374. So you have a little bit of ways to go down on the SPY. AMD has no recent levels of support below it, and it's looking like it kind of fizzled out on its way back up and was coming right back down. So I played the next week on it, made my 12% for the second trade in a row today, and now I'm out.
And what's this? Don't look at the ticker. What is this?
I can't. Hold on. I already saw it. That's okay. I already saw it. I can't.
That's NVDA. Yeah, it looks a lot like AMD, right?
Yeah. AMD, NVIDIA, I think. Yeah. AMD's coming down. That hurts.
No, it doesn't. I mean, it hurts for them. If
It
you're
hurts
on
my
the wrong
long-term
side of the
portfolio.
trade,
It's fine.
it
No, I
hurts
just
for
made less money
them.
on it today.
It hurts for them. Okay, so I want to talk about something really quick, and I have to make sure I don't use certain words. But I did tweet something very cryptic yesterday, and I'm just going to explain that, guys. I can't say what it is. I can't say shit. But just imagine being on the right side of the trade 90% of the time. 90% of the time. Just imagine.
We're
gonna be getting there.
We do have some cool stuff coming for you guys over the next few months. So again, when we say that we have things coming, the first time that we did this was the options data coming out. This next couple of things that we have coming, in my opinion, let's see what Gabe thinks about this. I think it's way bigger than the options data on the alerts.
Wow.
I think it's going to be way bigger.
Do you? Do you?
I think it's
Yeah.
gonna be way bigger. It's something that like I've never seen it before. Like I've never seen anybody like do this. It's
Woo!
crazy. It's gonna be nuts.
It's gonna be nuts. Yes. Yes. All right. All right.
Ooh, Apple looks interesting here.
Spy looking real interesting.
Yeah, I think it's gonna come down to I think it's gonna come down to that 374 unless so you have a level where it's at right now. It didn't draw it out in the pre-market, but do you see that little bounce level where it's trading at in the pre-market? Do you
Yeah.
see that right there? Where it's currently trading, it's like right at a level of support
Well, it's here.
in the
Well, no,
yeah,
no,
right
no. It's
there.
a
You see
mid
that little
level. You're
bounce?
absolutely right. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So let's see if it holds there, if it cracks down below. That could get interesting. Yeah. I could have held that AMD for a little bit longer too, but I mean, it would have been a difference of like 2% on the trade. So whatever. You need my 12% market maker. Fuck you, Kenny.
uh, let's see. I purchased the Discord last night, but I'm having trouble linking it. I have the email and link, but it won't load all the way.
So you're definitely grandfathered in. We just got to get you linked up. If you're in the Discord, go into the questions tab, and then they'll help you out in there if there's something wonky.
I'm sorry.
What's up?
Oh, no, 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 no. I'm just doing a audio check here.
Oh,
Just making
gotcha.
sure I'm good. Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So
1348. What's up? All right. You want to put your screen up here really quick? I have to go for like 2 seconds.
yep.
All right.
Hold on. Let me do it right here. Got it. Here you go.
All right. Take it away.
All righty, folks. So right now, what we're looking at, SPY's coming down to this level of support right here. This is what we're looking at. So there's this little level right here that we were looking at that it could bounce at. Now we have this right here. So it's probably coming down to 374. That's what I see. Apple, little different. You got the pre-market lows down in here, but you could be playing this zone to zone. The other thing you have to watch out on SPY is look what it did yesterday. It initial pop rejected at the 200. This is the 3-minute. We can throw this on the 5. Initial pop up here. It came down below this level of 374, then bounced. So it came down to 372.50 and then bounced. So watch this level potentially for a bounce coming up here. This is a lot of red in a row. Let's see. Just made 20% on 1348 SPY cross. Quick in and out. How should I play your exit? Are you playing the 3-minute cross? If you play, I mean, SPY crossed on the 5 just now. If you were playing the 3-minute, what I would look at is this. So you're playing it based on the levels. So you're looking at it right here and you're saying, okay, you have this cross. SPY looks like it's coming down. The momentum's to the downside. It just broke the low of the day. What are you looking at now? This level right here. You could have taken some profits here, but then you have this level right here, this 374. So that's kind of what you're looking at on the levels over there for a potential exit. Took 20% on SPY puts. Got to go to the other job. Love you guys. Justin, there you go, buddy. Yeah, guys, if you aren't in there yet, make sure you check us out in the Discord. I mean, we see a lot of people printing all the time. I'm live in there at 8:45. The link, I don't know where it is right now. It's in the description in the live chat somewhere. Oh, he's back.
I'm back. I'm back. Sorry. Had to take delivery.
Yeah, there we go.
I had to take delivery, so sorry. Anyways.
What are you delivering?
Well, I'm disappointed it wasn't your flashlight.
Oh, I could send that. Yeah, okay. Maybe I'll wait. Maybe I'll wait to send it and give it to you in person, or I'll send it over to you.
Oh no. I'll get it in Boston. What I want to do is I want to run up and down Quincy Market with a flashlight in my hand.
We can do whatever we want.
Oh man, fun. All right, SPY definitely.
It bounced. It bounced at the level. It bounced
Yes.
at 374.12.
Oh
We could
boy.
share it. Provoked. No.
Oh, it better not be used either.
I'm not gonna use it. Hopefully never nobody uses it. It's a trophy.
Okay, let's go ahead and see if we got some more alerts popping up. We have, let's check this out here. We have AAL. Okay, here we go.
Let's see.
American Airlines. Ooh,
Ooh, that looks interesting. Breaking support right now. Ooh, that looks a little spicy.
sure does. Okay, I could definitely see it playing out to 1250 here. It's a 9 cent move. How is America Airlines trading at $12.59?
You think it should be higher or lower?
Let's go ahead and look at it on the daily.
Oh, that thing is getting hit. That thing's getting hit. SPY looks like it wants to break that low.
All right. Let's see. Most recently, 26. Um, back in 21 at or about, but now trading at fucking $12. I think this is more of like a value stock. So you would just go ahead and buy it and hold it. I mean,
Yeah.
it's cheap. It's cheap as hell.
A lot of things are like really, really, really sold off.
Yes. Yes. Let's see. Oh, pilot strike and shortage. Yeah, makes sense.
Oh yeah, Delta, they were picketing.
Yes, yes. Um, let's go ahead and check out Tesla. So I see Diana. Diana, dude, Diana used to love NVIDIA. Now
Yeah.
she's all about Tesla.
Really?
Yes.
Tesla's crazy, dude. Tesla is
I
a
see.
wild person.
Yes, she definitely is. Diana, you finally found a stock to match your personality. And we got this put here. Hey, you know what? That's a very very good signal. It's got some room to run. We have this level here. This is going to be 687.98. That is the first level I would consider. It's a very strong level. You could see like it printed itself out here. Okay, so I would definitely play it to that level and then consider taking profit here, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna alt H it. Now, if she breaks it and the indicators are like, hey, full send to shit, let's go. Um, good on you, good on you. But I'm all about securing the bag, and she's right there at that blue pill line. So it's make a break for her right
Yeah.
here. It's make or break. Guys, when you draw out your level, right? When you find a matching level and you actually draw it out, doesn't it make you feel like, damn, I need to respect it more?
Yeah. That's how I use my levels. Like this level that I have drawn out on SPY right now, it's like, all right, I know it's gonna come here a bunch of like it's just gonna come down to this level a couple of times. Let's see what happens at it. Like it just gives you a better picture of where the market's gonna head and what you're looking at going into every day.
Yeah. To answer this question, how do you know when to get out of the SPY? So let's go ahead and look at the SPY. So
I
what we
would do
do
a
is
1
we
minute.
use the RSI here as a I guess a leading indicator as to when to get out. But as it stands right now, the SPY isn't giving any indication to get out.
No. What you can do is you can throw SPY on the 1 minute, and you can look at those 1 minute rims as they come down. If you see a closing candle above the 1 minute 13, that'll be the first quick indication, in my opinion, that the trend is switching against you. You saw it yesterday with Apple on the put side, where the first closing candle above the 1 minute was when it started to shoot going into the rest of the day. So that's what I use. If I'm staying in something, I'll just watch the 1 minute rims. If I want to be a little bit like risky with it, I'll maybe hold it to a 3 minute rim, but not usually.
Woo! Um, I'm loving my SPY put right now.
I bet you are.
If this plays out the way I need it to play out, I'll buy the Fleshlight Factory. You get a
Oh,
flashlight. You get a flashlight. Everyone gets a flashlight. You get a flashlight with your subscription to Discord. Oh
Jesus.
Jesus Christ!
Just give it away for free. We could have it branded. We can put the
Oh,
logo on it.
absolutely. 1348 flashlights. Love it. Hilarious.
I don't know if I might just sit on my hands for a while. I mean, SPY looks like it wants to come down. I'm 2 for 2 today on 2 really dirty trades. I don't know if 207% on SPY. Jesus, guys. Fucking killing.
Woo! Woo! All right. Guys, yeah, the market chose a direction and it's making you all money. So I think we have this conversation, this honest conversation that you made your money. Don't be greedy, right? I think the reversal in the market, you will see a reversal, but the reversal is probably not even worth chasing later on in the afternoon. You've
Mhm.
made a lot of money. I mean, don't be greedy. Just take your gains, baby. Take your gains. Right. 1348 is the truth. Anybody want to argue against it? I need a little
No, I
help here.
definitely don't. The amount
I
of
mean,
printing
anybody want to
that
argue
done this
against it?
week. Ooh!
All right. Link down in the description, link pinned into the comments. You guys just go ahead and sign up. It only costs you $4.36 a day to trade. And in these live streams alone, you would definitely make that money.
Yeah. Gabe, did you see my text this morning about TLT?
Oh, interest rates.
Yeah. You want to
Okay.
know what those contracts are up today on TLT?
Please share.
550. I was telling you guys, watch TLT like a hawk. It was looking good with the cross in the pre-market and what the 10 years doing. It's doing a little bit of weird shit on the 5 minute right now. That's not even the height of those contracts. This is rimming on the 5 minute right now. Those were up a lot more. So
Let's go ahead and look at look at MEU. MEU is the reason why we tell you guys take your money. Now this is the 1 minute, right? Now it doesn't look like much, right? This looks like a 1 minute rim job, but when you get on over to the 5, right, and we see why, it's definitely right here. This is that pre-market. Remember how we were talking about like MU had earnings yesterday, right? And you see that
yep.
long wick establishing that level of support down there. Well, that wasn't a true level of support, but it's definitely found itself right here. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 candles touching this level here. So this is a new level of support. We could go
Mm-hmm.
ahead and alt H it, and that level is at 5162 at or about. All right. We could drag
Mm-hmm.
it down a little bit, just get it right underneath the bodies there. So there you go. That's 5156. If she breaks that, then yes, we have a continuation and it should be pretty. But if you entered this put here and rode her all the way down to this level, why don't you just take your money, right? Secure that shit, and then just wait for her to jump onto the other side of the blue pill. It's really that simple, right? The
Mm-hmm.
hardest part about trading. All right, let's get into this. The hardest
Mm-hmm.
part about trading, even if you don't know anything about the market, you're going to be right 50% of the time, right? And you're probably going to hold too long 95% of the time.
Yep. 100%. Knowing when to get out or not to trade is just as important, if not more important, than picking the right setups and trades.
Yes. Yes. And so that guys, like even if you don't and now just think about this, right? With 1348, now your entries, you have a higher percentage of wins on your entries, right? It's just a matter of like knowing, okay, when do I get out?
Mm-hmm.
Right. You can get out at 5%, 10%, 50%. You could get out. And then you know what? If it runs to 50%, who the fuck cares? You won onto the
Mm-hmm.
next trade,
Mm-hmm.
right? Focus on the wins, not the gains. right?
Mm-hmm.
That is it. The minute you start falling in love with the dollars and you start falling in love with those percentages
Can't
is
do it.
when the market's just like, yeah, we got this motherfucker hooked on this pussy right here. He loves it.
And
He
they're just
loves
gonna
to
come in
snatch.
and give
Yeah.
you a disease.
More than that, let's just you fall in love with some pussy, you end up getting married to her, then she ends up taking a house.
That's worse.
But that's exactly what the market is. You
Mm-hmm.
fall in love with a play, right? You get married to the play, and then she takes all your fucking money.
Mm-hmm.
It's the truth,
Mm-hmm.
right? No, I don't love that stench. I like sea oysters.
Yeah, none of that. None of that.
Maintain. I love this. I love this degenerate. Prenup is a stop loss.
It is. Dude, that's fucking perfect. Tight stop
Oh,
loss, people.
yeah. Yes.
We can pull up
Yes.
SPY again. Yeah, we probably can. It got that closing candle above on the 1 minute. It's flickering around a little bit, but I mean, I would probably be out of it. I don't know. I mean, if I was trading the SPY on the way down, it bounced off. It came down below that level of support that I have. It bounced back up. It got some closing candles above the 13 on the 1 minute. I'd probably be out. I mean, you can hold it if you want to. It's up to you. But I mean, remember, it's all about securing the bag and making sure that you guys are locking in your gains. Like those two AMD trades I had today, I could have let that first one run and just been up metric shit ton. But I got out, went in at a safer level, took two 12% trades. Thank you very much. I'm done for the day.
Yeah. All right. So let's look at the SPY. And this actually brings us back to a teaching moment that we had. You got this put signal and she brought you down, right? Now, retail will go ahead and just they have no clue what they're holding to, right? So they go ahead and hold, and then they wonder why you have this bounce here, right? And so you're left holding the bag, and then obviously you're playing O-day expiration. What happens, right? Your contract then just does the ultimate flip. You're up $200. Now you're down 50,
Mm-hmm.
right? But if you respected that level, right? You respect that level. You know what that means? You know what happens when you show the market respect?
It gives you money back. It says, here's a
Yes.
gift.
Your marriage lasts longer.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, guys, that whole SPY thing right there. Remember, what did we say? Closing candle above the 1 minute 13 EMA. Then what happens? Boom. Happened with Apple yesterday. It's happening with SPY right now. Probably happened with AMD just now too. Having that little 1 minute 13 to guide you on when to get out is a very, very, very solid indication of, okay, probably done here. It can always come back and rim on the 5. It's very possible. But think about if you were out at, let's say, what's the price when it crossed the 1 minute 13? 374.64. So that's about $1 lower that you're getting out compared to where it is right now. And then if it does end up rimming on the 5, well, you know your level. Okay, so it starts to separate from the 13 on the 5. You know your level's down at 374. Then you can just play it back down again. But if you're just holding it, the position is just flickering in and out.
That's it. Yes. John Ben, this is a public stream. Thank you for all 580 people watching this stream. And
Woo!
yes, yes. And I don't give a fuck. All right. Diane, not Diana. Remember the professor? Her name's Diane. Diane, if you're watching, I hope you're making money. Hey, Diane. That's her name.
I don't remember this. When was this?
Oh no, yesterday's live stream. I was talking about a professor that I used to date.
Oh.
And yeah, and she was actually on the live stream. It was just fucking
Oh,
wild.
that's funny.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. There was a conversation to be had. No, no, not Diana. Not to be confused with our Discord's Diana. We're talking
Different
about
one.
Diane. Yeah, I got busted. I got
That's
busted.
hilarious.
Yeah. It it's a small world. It's a small world.
It is.
Uh
Dude, this
like
market is absolute. Like, I think what people need to realize too is there's a little bit of like a it's like a breakthrough level. I have a really good way to explain it, but I'm not going to explain it in this way. Once you bust through that little threshold of like not knowledge, but like understanding how the market's moving, everything becomes a lot easier. So today the market's chopping around. I sent it in the live chat. I was like, market's chopping around this level here. Be careful. But you're looking at the levels. Once you understand that you need to wait for the really good setups to come to you, you can then identify and know how you feel when you're about to chase something. So, like, there were a couple of situations this morning, like with Facebook, where it was tanking. Now, would it have been a good trade? Maybe, maybe not. I haven't really looked at it, but you have to know in your mind that's not what you're looking for. You have to have your specific set of requirements that you're looking for to get into a trade. And if they're not met, you don't take it. You basically act like a robot when you're trading. Why do you think Trader Joe is so successful? He follows his rules. He has them set out. He doesn't trade if the rules are not met.
And doesn't have emotions and
Exactly.
doesn't get greedy. And like I said, a lot of you guys, 50% of the time, even if you don't know what the fuck you're doing, you're right. The problem is you're only right until you're wrong, and then the market reverses on you, and you're like, fuck. How many times you guys, and I know this is retail all last year, right? How many times you guys were like, shit, I should have just sold. I should have just sold here. You know, I was up,
Especially
but
on
I
those
should have just
options that
sold.
people were holding, man. Woo! I would
Me,
also like to point out that I just called this SPY move to a fucking T. So you're welcome for that one. You want to pull this one up? This is it's once you understand how the SPY moves, it's like you saw that 1 minute 13 cross up, comes back up, rims on the 5. If you really wanted to re-enter, you could have, and you played it right down to the level again. Boom. Quick in and out, easy trades, take your 10, 12%, get some more time, lessen the effects of theta, and you'll have some fun. It's simple. Keep it simple. No need to overcomplicate it.
that's it. That's it.
Dude, we're on fire this week. I mean, we always are, but I feel like this week we're just like
Yeah,
fire.
this week we were just showing off. This week we were just really showing you guys like who we are. Like, I'll say this confidently: there's nobody out there that can fucking touch me. I can outtrade anybody.
He can.
I,
He can.
I think that's a fair statement. I will outtrade anybody, and that's why it just blows my mind when you got haters that jump on in. They're like, "Ooh." It's like, motherfucker, give me 5 minutes. Let me go make some money, and I'll buy you right
You
now.
know what it is? Do you know what it is? This is actually really funny. It's arrogant. Look at they imagine how silly this is. It's like you look at the guy who makes a bunch of money trading and he's like, I'm gonna teach you how to trade. And the people are like, oh, it may not, he may not be. It's like, what? You're gonna watch the guy that makes a bunch of money trading all the time with the strategy and say, no, I personally think that's just plain arrogance right there. They're like, no, that's not correct. It's weird, dude. It's just a weird thing. I don't know how to describe it, but it's like it's so strange sometimes when you see those things.
Who taught me? Time and discipline taught me.
Yeah.
Right. And so I'm giving you guys the cheat code. I tell you what, STV in 5, 10 years,
Don't let me get the power of compound interest on my side. You'll never catch me.
just
You got it. The best time to what is the tree analogy? Best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. Second best time today.
today.
The best
What
time
was?
to plant a tree. Isn't that
Oh,
the isn't that
yes.
the isn't that the metaphor? It's like the best time plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the second best time is today or something. Or the second, I don't
Yes,
know.
yes, 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 yes. Right. Absolutely. I agree. But if I knew at 23 what STV knows now,
Watch out. We're gonna have some fun, people.
what? I'd be in Dubai just pretending I'm a
You know what
fucking
they
sheik.
don't have in Dubai, I think? Taxes. I think. I don't know. I could be completely wrong on that one. I'm pretty sure there's like really interesting taxes over there.
Bye.
Let's go to Dubai.
Habib, get my camel.
It's nice over there too. We should go. It's safe. They got
By the
cool
way, that
stuff over
wasn't
there.
racist. I'm not. I'm not. No, I'm just having fun.
Let's see. They don't have sewers. What do I need a sewer for? You know what they don't have? Fucking faucets or something silly. They don't have doorknob. I don't know. There is no individual income tax scheme in Saudi Arabia. Okay, I think we gotta go.
Well, before I go, I need to buy a driver and I need to buy a Rolls Royce.
Think about the tax
And
savings. You could just do it with the tax savings.
all right, bye.
The only thing that would mess with us is the different time zone. That would
Oh
hurt.
man.
We'd have to trade like futures.
Uh, let's see. Hold on. Johnny says. I think people don't believe you because we've heard assholes with a Lamborghini behind them bragging about their bookshelves. We've heard a lot of
Oh,
fraud.
Ty Lopez?
Hey, Johnny. But you can see this is not fraud because you're actually doing it.
Yeah. Like every day, like the strategy works so well. And the thing is that when we came with the strategy, it's like this is the most profitable EMA crossover. It's been studied. And then you come and add the different rules to it. And then we create Trader Joe, the algorithm, because we have so much confidence in it to just show you guys how successful this thing could be with just trading shares. Like this whole system is a great way to basically look at the market in a way that nobody else is, or not nobody else is, but in a different way than you guys have looked at it before. Usually people look at it in terms of, oh, I'm just going to YOLO and then I'm going to throw it at this. And it's like, you actually need to learn the skills in order to like play in the market. Like you can't just like these types of skills here with 1348 are going to teach you, okay, these are support levels. This is what RSI is. This is what all of this means and how it can make you money if you execute on it properly.
All right, so I'm going to call Andrew out here. So this is what's displaced confidence. Well, no, it's confidence, right? So you made 11,000 yesterday and you lost 3K today. But the market just immediately showed its face first thing in the morning. It showed its face. It was all moving down. So I think what you have to do is each and every day hit the reset button. What you accomplished yesterday, do not try to emulate today.
Right.
When I see 3K lost, that means I'm seeing it at like, oh, you went as hard as you did yesterday, right? The market's a different day today, but it also showed that it was already in a downtrend. So it's quite possible you were front running. But
Oh, shit.
I like that you only lost 3,000, so you're up 8,000. That's it. But STV's got to go.
Yeah, I always lose track of time over here when we're having fun over here. This is always the best time. Guys, again, hop in with us if you want. We would love to have you in there. We got a lot of stuff in there. We got the curriculum. We also have these like I can't wait until we can tell them what we're bringing them over like the next 6 to 8 months in terms of all the things that are going to be coming out. Get ready, people. All you OGs, let's rip it up. All you new people that are coming in, let's do it.
We're out, guys.